Welcome to Traction.com. In this video we will show you how the search engine works. You can perform searches on Traction.com without logging into your account. The search window is located at the top middle of the Traction.com website. You can enter a word, a group of words, or a part number. Here is an example made with the word chemical. You will notice that as you start typing in the search bar, a tab displaying related categories, top brands, and related items will appear. If you find the part or group of parts you are looking for in these suggestions, you can select them. Otherwise, finish entering the search term and click on the magnifying glass to the right of the search field to launch the search. As the word chemical is very generic, you will notice that the search results bring you to the general category of chemicals. Here is an example with a group of words, where we will search for fuel filter. As this group of words is more specific, the search result will also be more specific. In this case, it will bring you to the fuel filters category. Let's try a search with a part number. For example, 8642. In this case, the result is a group of parts in which we find the digits 8642. You will see that, for a search result that takes you to a group of parts, the results are sorted by relevance, while for searches that take you to a category, the results will be sorted by popularity. If you know the category of the part you are looking for, you can refine your search using the filters on the left. When you search for a word, a group of words, or a part number in the search engine, it looks for the desired term in all product pages. Namely, in the image name, the short description, the product overview, features and benefits, specifications, as well as in the list of interchanges and equivalent parts. By checking the product pages generated from the results, you will be able to confirm that the digits 8642 thus found can be part of another number and is not necessarily an exact number. Let's say you want to search for an exact match. Meaning, if we take our previous example, that you want the exact search results for the part 8642 and exclude the other numbers in which it could be found, such as A, B, C, 8642. In this case, you must put the number you are looking for in quotation marks. You will notice that you will have far fewer search results. By checking the product pages generated from the results, you will be able to confirm that the digits 8642 thus found is not part of another number, and is indeed an exact number. You now understand how the Traction.com search engine works. If you have any questions or need extra help, please contact us at info@traction.com. Happy shopping!